Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox chat on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is connected to a reliable internet source. Your Xbox account also needs to have its communication settings enabled, allowing for online interactions with other players. Additionally, verify that your Roblox account is set up to permit in-game chat features, which is crucial for the next steps. This foundational preparation ensures a smooth chatting experience. Once you are in Roblox, access the main menu by pressing the menu button on your Xbox controller. From there, select Settings, then proceed to the Privacy tab. Look for the Who Can Chat With Me option and adjust it to either Friends or Everyone. Setting this ensures other players can send you messages, allowing you to join conversations freely. Remember, you can always change this setting later if your preferences evolve. Now that your settings are configured, launch any Roblox game you wish to play that supports in-game communication. During active gameplay, simply press the View button, often found on the left side of your Xbox controller, usually indicated by two overlapping squares. This action will promptly bring up the chat input box at the bottom of your screen. You are now ready to begin typing your messages. With the chat window open, a virtual keyboard will automatically appear on your screen. Use your controller's left stick to navigate through the letters and press the A button to select each character you want to type. After crafting your message, press the menu button on your controller once more. This final press will send your message into the game chat, making it visible to other players instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.